What's up, everyone? So Amazon Mechanical Turk is a well-known work-from-home platform that has been around for almost 20 years. It is created by one of the biggest companies in the world, and people have been using this platform for decades to make money online from home. But is this site still worth it, or is it a complete waste of time? So unlike other YouTube channels, I won't take forever to get to the point, and I will tell you now if this platform is still worth it after all these years. My answer is that I think this website is definitely still worth checking out, especially now that artificial intelligence has become so popular. But there is some important information about this platform that you need to be aware of, so make sure to stick around for the entire video. Ultimately, you can use this website to make money from home doing simple and many times tedious tasks. Now, will this replace your day job or make you a ton of money? No, it will absolutely not. But like any side hustle, it all comes down to time, patience, and effort. If you have the time and make the effort, then you could make some decent money on the side. There are people making a few bucks a week on this platform, and there are others making as much as $300 to $500 a week. So why not make some money in your spare time? But like I said, there is some important information that you should know about this website. So now let's dive into a quick background about what Mechanical Turk is, the pros and cons of the platform, and my tips for how to make the most amount of money. Mechanical Turk was created by Amazon in 2005 as a crowdsourcing platform that connects businesses and individuals who are part of a human intelligence workforce. So basically the way it works is that businesses post human intelligence tasks that are called hits for workers to complete. These are specific tasks that workers select and complete to earn money. There are a bunch of different types of tasks on the platform, but the main ones are surveys where you answer questions and provide feedback. Data entry where you input information into forms. Image and video processing jobs to identify objects or transcribe. There are also content moderation jobs to make sure content is appropriate. Now, to sign up, you will need to have or create an Amazon account, and then there are a few steps to complete to get started. How much you get paid for each task depends on the complexity of the task and the time required. Also, some tasks offer bonuses if your work is high quality. You can also make more money depending on your educational background. If the pay is too low for tasks, then workers can report unfair requests. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this platform. Some of the main advantages to this website is time commitment. You have the flexibility to choose when and how much to work, and there is no commitment to a fixed schedule. Another pro is that this site is backed by Amazon, so there is not much concern about it being legit. This usually means that you do not have to worry about getting paid, and you can find support from Amazon. Now, some of the cons are that scammers can occasionally post fake tasks, so you should be cautious and report any suspicious activity. Another con to be aware of is that some tasks do pay more money based on education. You can definitely make money without, but there are some jobs that will pay more if you have a bachelor's or master's degree. The final con is that the amount that you can make depends largely on task availability. Now, of course, that is going to vary, and there will be some days that you can make more money than others. Now, here are some tips to be successful on the platform. Make sure to focus your time and attention on tasks with fair pay. Also, you want to build a reputation of high quality work for better opportunities and better pay in the future. Another quick tip is to be cautious of time-consuming tasks with low pay, unless you have the patience and time to do them. Another tip is that you should never put all your eggs in one basket, because there are a bunch of other work-from-home platforms out there that you can use to make money. You can find a lot of these different platforms on this YouTube channel, and all jokes aside, I try to do my best to give you value and to actually share my personal experience of the different platforms that I'm using to make money online from home. And you can also find other great platforms or ways to make money online on the website. Now, if you find value in this content, then make sure to check the links in the description for ways to support the channel, or all you have to do is hit that like button and it really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.